The original brief was to find really interesting car parts, so the domino effect would be able to be fulfilled and some great running shots. So that's why we're here in Los Angeles.
Each day we've had different challenging points where we've had to either hold traffic so that they could film going the wrong way on the one-way street. We also have to place them in the position so they can start do their filming.
Inside our pursuit vehicle, we have myself as the driver. To my right will be the first AC pulling focus. Directly behind me, I have a director calling shots. To his right, the DP. And most importantly, in the back is my crane arm operator.
Ich bin hier am Set verantwortlich für die Informationssicherheit. Das heißt, ich versuche, unser Auto vor unerwünschter Ausspähung zu bewahren.